my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited about this video. I'm going to try to recreate one of Selena Gomez's looks that I saw on Instagram recently. So I will try to post a picture somewhere here on the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about, or I will leave it linked down in the description box below. But I'm super excited because most of these products are very affordable and you can find them at the drugstore. So before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. The first thing I should actually mention is that I already have my base on. I have my foundation, my powder, my concealer, and my eyebrows done. I will leave all of my products that I used in the description box below. We're gonna start, and we're gonna be using two different palettes today. We're gonna be using the Morphe 350 palette, which is just a lot of neutral colors, so that's what we're gonna be using. And we're also going to be using the Profusion Neon palette, which I recently hauled in one of my previous new drugstore makeup hauls. So let's go ahead and get started with this Morphe one. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here. And I'm gonna start placing that like all over my eyelid and my crease. So going into that shade I mentioned, I will be taking a fluffy blending brush like this one. And I'm just gonna start applying that all over my eye. So I'm gonna start right here. And I'm gonna kind of focus this shadow like from here on out. Just cause that's the way it looks to me in the picture. We'll blend out the edges and all of that in a bit, but I'm kind of just depositing the color first, just so we can have the pigment there. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit into the inner corner as well, just to blend it out. And now I'm going to go back and just blend out the edges just so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye. Go ahead and get one of these little brushes and kind of pack the shadow under the lower lash line first, and then I'll blend it out with a fluffy brush. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush like this one, and I'm going to try to blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh. Go back in with the first brush and just kind of blend everything out just so it looks a little bit seamless. Now we're going to move on to the star of the show, which is this color right here, and it's called Bro in this neon palette from Profusion. Got this at Walmart, so I'm going to go into that color. I'm going to go ahead and get this brush right here. It's kind of dense. And I'm going to start adding that color ever so slightly just to see how this is going to work out for us. Her color was way more vibrant, so I'm going to try and pack it on with a different brush. I'm going to bring a little bit of that color to the crease up here. I want just a tiny bit. I'm actually going to mix it with the brown and just blend this out ever so slightly. So I went ahead and added some lashes and some mascara and just like a nude liner on the waterline, and that is it. That is how the look came out, but we have to finish the rest of the face. We're gonna start with bronzer. So in the picture, it does look like she's wearing some bronzer. So I'm just using the Rimmel Natural bronzer that I always use here. You can really use any bronzer that you have, but this one's really good and very inexpensive as well. So I'm just gonna kind of bronze my skin and warm my skin up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. This is by Milani, and this is in the color Luminoso. It's just a very pretty peachy color with a little sheen. So I'm just going to add it not too close to the apple of my cheeks, because in the picture I can see she has it a little bit more towards the top. So I'm going to try to recreate that. So I'm just going to tap it right here in the outer corner, kind of lifting my cheek up a little bit. On my chin, on my nose, and on my temples, just to tie in the look a little bit more. So for lips, what we're going to be using is this lip liner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Any nude lip liner will do a little bit deeper than your original like lip shade. I'm going to try this one out from e.l.f. This came out last summer in the Retro Paradise collection. So I'm just going to see if it's a little bit deeper than my natural lip line. If it is, we'll use this one. If not, I have another one that I'll share with you all. So yeah, this is perfect. It's just a little bit deeper and kind of will show up on my lips. Lipstick, I found this in my collection. I actually got this at TJ Maxx a while back, and this is the NARS lipstick, the Audacious lipstick in the color Lou. So it's just basically like a peachy nude like this, and we're gonna put that like in the center of our lips. I think this is a little too peachy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a little bit of the e.l.f. Cosmetics times Jen Atkin in the color Self-Made Pink, I believe this is. And I'm just gonna top that off a little bit with this one, just so it could be a little bit pink as well. And last but not least, I am going to top it with a gloss. I love the Fenty glosses. These are amazing. Alright guys, and there we have it. This is the look that I came up with. I hope it kind of seems or looks a little bit like the one that Selena posted on her Instagram. I was kind of inspired by it, and I wanted to recreate this look with some products that I already have at home. So this is what I came up with. What do you all think? And let me know down in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, for joining me today and taking time out of your day to watch my videos. Let me know what you thought of this video and maybe what other looks you would like for me to recreate in the near future. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.